Hi, we're Karen, Katie, and Jayen from the Endocrine, Respiratory, and Neuropharmacology group at Monash Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, joining the TRAM program through the Biomedical Precinct. We're going to present today our journey towards the development of novel drug treatments for pulmonary fibrosis. Pulmonary fibrosis is scarring of the lungs. Approximately 20% of pulmonary fibrosis cases are caused by idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis of unknown cause, and the incidence is increasing worldwide. So, two currently approved drugs on the market slow but do not halt fibrosis. So, there's a significant need for new drugs for this large market.
We have identified a protein that is increased in lung diseases. What's really exciting is that our inhibitor of this protein is antifibrotic and improves lung function, which is not shared by any other inhibitors of this protein, pointing to novel action of the mechanisms. Our novel drug that inhibits this protein could be a new medicine to benefit patients and society. When we first started TRAM, we were focused on developing long-acting inhibitors of our novel protein for severe asthma, based on exciting findings from my PhD showing multiple beneficial effects in the lungs.
We then conducted interviews with key stakeholders, and in discussions with experts in intellectual property and commercialization, we quickly found out that we had no freedom to operate in asthma or in inflammatory lung diseases. We then turned our efforts to talking with other customers, and in discussions with respiratory clinicians and clinical researchers, we found out that pulmonary fibrosis is not an inflammatory lung disease, offering a new avenue for discovery for our inhibitors. We then spoke with formulation and drug delivery scientists who helped us to identify that direct targeting of the lungs would be really important to consider early in our discovery pipeline. Discussions with biotech and pharma revealed that choosing preclinical models that translate to patient disease is a major challenge in this field. Also, that tolerability is just as important as efficacy, as well as considering cost and ease of manufacture of our small molecule inhibitors. So the next steps for us are to focus on disease models that are relevant for fibrosis, and to use these to validate the proof of concept that our novel inhibitors will improve function and decrease and slow fibrosis. We'll then seek to find new chemical composition and undertake further optimization. And long term, we'll look to find partners to help take our new medicine for pulmonary fibrosis to the clinic.
So, just to recap, our team at MIPS have identified a novel drug to treat pulmonary fibrosis. If you think you can help us on our journey towards the development of our drug, then please get in touch using the email addresses shown here.